cure dandruff permanently in 5 minutes. Method 1. Baking soda and lemon. Mix freshly squeezed lemon juice taking into consideration baking soda. Apply to scalp, leave for a few minutes, wash and rinse hair. Use apple cider vinegar as a conditioner. Method 2. Use olive oil. Apply olive oil by now washing your hair. Let it remain for just roughly 5 to 10 minutes. Now wash your hair before going to bed. Apply olive oil following again. You have to wrap your head in a towel or cotton cap. You should see no whereabouts of dandruff. Method 3. Use egg yolk. Apply egg yolk on hair. Leave it for 1 hour. Wash thoroughly once with the shampoo. You will have a bright silky hair subsequent to out dandruff. Method 4. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are immense for dandruff removal. Grind 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Soak the seeds in 2 cups of hot water. Leave this fused overnight. Strain fenugreek seeds. Use the water as a rinse. Method 5. Lemon juice and curd. Get a bowl of curd and graze a lemon in half. Apply the curd approximately your hair. Use the peel to apply and dab through / following. Smooth the scalp with inside of the lemon skin. Repeat the process weekly thrice and dandruff will disappear. Method 6. Mouthwash. Mix 1 allocation mouthwash along in the midst of 5 parts water. Simply pour on your hair and wait it to dry. Do not rinse out. Method 7. Apple cider vinegar. 1 allocation apple cider vinegar and incorporation it taking into account then 1 part water. Wash your hair normally, later pour vinegar water incorporation deliberately onto hair and scrub into your scalp. Take care not to make available any mannerism in your eyes. Leave upon for 10 to 15 minutes, subsequently rinse gone water. Method 8. Aspirin. Break up 2 tablets of aspirin on a thin cloth or napkin. Use a hammer or weight to make powder of aspirin. Mix the crushed aspirin powder to your regular shampoo. Apply it. This tip will surgically remove dandruff instantly. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.